Alright, to start out, we're going to get everything set up for our fuller by just getting it all marked out. I've put my toe bend in, but I've left my branches straight just because it makes it a little easier to mark. So we're just making a line at the toe with our T-square where our fuller will start, and then take a pair of wing dividers and just score a little line down the middle of the branch so we can follow. Whenever you're first starting out and you haven't had a lot of practice fullering, I feel like this is probably the safer way to do it. Rather than just eyeballing it, you're a lot less likely to wreck your shoe. So now I'm just going to take my fuller and follow that line that I made, and that'll give me a little guide once I get the shoe hot to follow. Okay, now we're just going to hurry and mark the other side real quick. Just put a little mark where I've got my line drawn through my toe, and then just run over that mark that I put down the branch. Okay, we've got everything marked. Now we're ready to hem. Hemming, you're just pinching up the outside edge of the ground surface so that when you drop your fullering in, it doesn't blow out the section. It just kind of brings it back out to the original dimension. So I'll kind of show you how that is done. First thing, we're going to put in our quarter bend. Just push it around real quick. Run over everything, make sure it looks nice. And then just start right at the beginning of our fullering and just pinch up that outside edge on the ground surface. Just go over it a couple times, make sure everything's nice and smooth. And then it'll be ready to fuller. Okay, now we're ready to fuller, so I'm just gonna clean everything up and start at the heels and just follow that line. Slowly taking little bites. And then once I have it kind of started and in there good, then I can go through it a little faster. When you get to the end, you're going to drop your hand and really drive the corner of your fuller in so that it makes a nice, clean, square, hard stop. Just make a few passes till we're about 3/4 of the way through the section. Get everything nice and flat, and then we'll move on to the other side. Put in our quarter bend real quick. Then we'll go ahead and hem that side. Starting where my fullering starts and just pinching up that top edge. Okay, on this side I'm going to start at the toe. I'm going to pick up my fuller when I start so that I'm really driving that corner into the start, making a nice square hard stop, and then just follow that line around to the heels. Pick up on my hand and then go through it. Pick up and just little bites all the way around till I'm about 3/4 of the way through. Get everything nice and flat. And there you have it. 3/4 fullered shoe.